When Bob faces an uncomfortable situation, he notifies you by displaying error and a number on his screen. Each number corresponds to a specific issue. Error 0 pertains to an issue with Bob's left wheel. Error 1 pertains to an issue with Bob's right wheel. In both cases, check the wheels for jamming and use compressed air or Bob's cleaning tool to remove the blockage. If this does not resolve the issue, perform a home checkup test and see how the wheels respond. Error 2 means the main brush cannot spin freely. Remove the main brush with the screwdriver included in Bob's box and clean the brush thoroughly from end to end. Remember to remove any debris that is caught in Bob's brush compartment. If Bob gets this error while working on thick shag carpet, you may remove the main brush and allow him to vacuum it. Error 3 means Bob's front wheel cannot move freely. Use the cleaning tool to remove any congestion around it. You may also detach the front wheel from Bob. Take it apart and clean the inside correctly. Error 4 pertains to an issue with Bob's 4 edge sensors, located on his bottom near the bumper. Use a dry, clean cloth to wipe the sensors. If Bob gets this error code on dark-colored or patterned floors, you may need to blindfold his sensors so he can work in this area. Use the blindfold stickers that came in his box to cover each sensor. Exercise caution when Bob is blindfolded, as he will be unable to detect ledges. Error 5 means Bob's wall sensors are blocked or dirty. Check to see if the transparent stripe on the front bumper is dirty, and clean it with a dry cloth or compressed air. Error 6 signals an issue with Bob's touch sensors, likely caused by a small piece of debris trapped under the bumper. Gently tap on the bumper or use compressed air to clear the inside of the bumper. To ensure the touch sensors are responding properly, press both ends of the bumper until you hear a click. Error 7 means Bob's main brush is not properly in place. Use a screwdriver to remove the main brush and reinstall it. Place the brush's square end in the corresponding square indent on Bob. Then replace the brush cap and screw. Error 8 pertains to Bob's dustbin. Remove and empty the bin. Turn the bin around and wipe the 2 metal connectors on its bottom. Then clean the metal contact points inside Bob, where the bin locks. Error 9 generally indicates an issue with Bob's main board. Bob likely needs to visit the bObsweep hospital for treatment. Just send a short email explanation to support@bobsweep.com and leave the rest to them. Error 10 refers to an issue with Bob's power supply. There are two possible causes. The battery connection may be loose. Turn Bob's side power switch off and flip him over onto a flat surface. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the battery cover on Bob. Then, check for a loose connection. Plug the battery into Bob correctly. And replace the battery cover and screws. If the error persists, plug Bob's power adapter directly into his side and allow him to charge for at least 8 hours. If the battery is completely drained, Bob may still display error 10 as he charges. After 8 hours of charging, unplug Bob. When you flip his power switch on, he should no longer display the error on his screen. If the issue persists after attempting the suggested solutions, you may want to perform a home checkup test. You may also contact customer support at any time by email or phone for further assistance.